Welcome to the vlog. So Nathan and Cora are taking us out to dinner. We're waiting for them. We're at Fuji. Nathan got a new car, so.
Well, they're heading this way.
I was about to say that one.
Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Oh! This is Nathan's new car. It's so beautiful.
I appreciate the leather seats. Well, that's what I wanted. They don't want you can go and start it.
Is it push start?
Yeah. It's right there. Yeah, that's the brake. Brand new tires. That just came on, so I think it just needs to be set.
Birthday.
What does it say?
What's it say?
Read it.
You got me a baby?
Congratulations!
I got everyone a baby.
Congratulations to you!
What
What does it say?
Happy birthday to a wonderful aunt.
It was the look on her face, and I thought, what's happened?
In my heart. Happy belated birthday.
Here you go. That's not really a gift, it's more for
Your baby.
That's great, man. Congratulations.
to say you can give that back. It's not really a gift.
Now I see why you got an SUV. That's gonna be your name. This is freaking uncle.
Freaking uncle.
This is, what did you say? Old Man Kenobi?
Old man Kenobi.
Old man Kenobi.
Just touch your belly. Touch your belly.
Touch her belly.
I don't think you want to touch my cooch yet.
10.5 weeks. September 30th.
A baby.
That's the family picture, so don't ruin it.
Oh,
One
baby,
you get,
Evan.
so we get better ones.
Put it on the fridge.
Hey guys, so I'm downstairs and you guys, I'm gonna be a grandma. Nathan and Cora are expecting September 30th is her due date. And yeah, so I didn't go live today. I told you yesterday I was gonna go live and do like a video of me threading my ricoma, but I think I'll just wait. I've been wanting to go live for the past, what, I don't know, 4 days, but I am packaging up. I worked on 3 orders today. I already have 1 packaged up, and then I have this one and then 1 up there. And let me grab it. They're both just aprons, so they are actually kind of the same but different fabrics used for them. Well, this is 6 and this is 7, but I do offer a couple different painting theme aprons, and so but yeah, so I didn't go live. We just hung out with Nathan and Cora. We went out to dinner at Fuji, ate, and then I rode home in Nathan's new car. So Nathan got a new car. It's a Mazda CR something or another. It's a you know, it's an SUV. So, if you guys were not aware, back in November, yes, November, when actually we were heading home from Orlando, Nathan called me and told me that he was in a wreck and that he had totaled his truck. So he's been without a vehicle ever since then, and so he's just been using his company work van or truck, and so now he has his own vehicle. And yeah, sorry, I'm trying to get this. I like to, on aprons, I like to get as much stabilizer as I can off, because obviously it goes over clothing. I don't put any tender touch. I don't put any tender touch or anything on them. And I normally use a tearaway on aprons, but I haven't ordered any. I've been out of it, so yeah. So I'll just press this one really quick, and then I'll trim up the threads on the outside. But yeah, we were just, you know, hanging out. I called my mom when we were at the restaurant so Nathan could tell her. Well, actually, he told Grandpa, my dad. This will be their first grandbaby together, if that makes it, or great grandbaby together. So Nathan was their first grandchild together. So my mom and dad, my dad has, you know, an older son, and my mom had my sister and my brother when they met. So I don't even think of them as like half brothers or sister, you know, my half sister. I don't think of them that way. I just think of, you know, they are my sister, they are my brother. You know, and I know for some people that, you know, they don't, but I do. I mean, I don't see them any different than my brother Autumn. I don't see them any different than my brother Dee or my sister Autumn, if that makes sense. So anyway, so this would be their first great grandchild together, like, you know, as a couple. Anyway, so that is very exciting. And so it's kind of funny, you guys, because I just announced the Rokoma, and a lot of people were guessing in my comments, you know, when I said I had a secret, they were guessing that it was a baby, and I assume they weren't talking about me. Maybe they were talking about a grandbaby, but it is, you know, but you guys, you know. For those that don't, I don't even think I ever did share it, but Cora was pregnant around Christmas. Well, it was, you know, she miscarried right before Christmas. So this is actually a rainbow baby for them, because they have lost a child, miscarried a baby before. But I am so excited, and I can't wait, because as soon as we know a gender and we have a name, we'll be making some samples for that baby. Like, what can I make? Oh, and then we can get, like, Journey can get some shirts. World's Greatest Auntie. Sterling can get one. It's so funny.
Mommy can get one.
No, Mommy is gonna say Grandma.
Mommy can get one.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna be a grandma. Is that crazy?
No, I said a kid.
She doesn't comprehend, because she's like, but you're not old.
Me?
You told Mommy wasn't old. I couldn't be a grandma because I'm not old. But I'm gonna be a grandma. Daddy's a grandpa. Is that weird? You're an aunt, Aunt Journey. She said, but I can't read. You gotta go potty?
No,
Well,
I'm just not.
okay.
Mom, do you have any pencils? Because I need to draw one.
Oh, you need to draw. I don't think I have any pencils. I'm just trimming all the little...
Can I use a black marker?
I don't have a black marker, Mama.
Yes, you do. Right here. See?
Oh no, you can't use a Sharpie, baby.
But I need one.
There was a blue pen right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Auntie.
Look, I spelled it. Look, right here.
Are you Aunt Sterling or Aunt Sterling? Or just Auntie or Aunt?
Auntie Panties.
Are you going to be called Auntie Panties?
Mommy.
Remember what's her face? Colleen Ballinger was called that?
She was?
Yeah.
Auntie Panties?
Mm-hmm.
So what are you going to be called?
Sterling.
No.
Sterling.
Aunt Stir.
You know. Aunt.
Auntie.
Aunt.
Are you Aunt?
I'm Aunt. Charlie's gonna be called Aunt.
Aunt? Are
Aunt
you
is-
just Aunt? Are you Aunt Sterling or Aunt Sterling? Aunt Sterling sounds more hip.
You know those cool ants that are like witches? I want to be like that. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like,
witches.
no, they're like cool. Just understand.
Okay.
They're cool, right? They don't have kids. They're just the cool ant.
Okay.
That's what I always wanted to be.
You're gonna be the cool aunt,
Mhm.
but you're gonna be a witch.
Yes. Just pretend that I will fool the child to make it think I am a witch.
Mom.
Because I am magic.
I like child. I want to play with child. Do you write it? And
She wanna play with ya.
You want me to write what? I like the child.
I like the child. I want to play with the child.
What do you want me to write?
No, it's supposed to go right
Okay,
here.
what am I writing?
The same way that you write on the back.
Tell me what I write. I like child. I want to play with child.
Do you write the baby by me holding the baby? Is that the baby there or me?
Uh-huh. This is you. You have some hair. And this is your arms, and you're holding the baby. And this is your lap. You're sitting. These are your legs. You are sitting in a chair. Let's put the chair.
Is it a rocking chair? Like
Yeah.
my toy rocking chair?
Yeah, you're rocking the baby. There you go. There you go, Aunt Journey. Oh my gosh, I'm still recording. You guys caught all that. It's funny. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Congratulations to Nathan and Cora.
They got a baby!
They got a baby.
Yippee!
Yippee!
I get to hold the baby. Cool,
Yeah,
cool
you
kids.
You get to hold the baby.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.